Your baby's doing this morning? Came to say hello. Hi, little one. Good morning. Got to sit on down here getting some breakfast. Good morning, little one. Oh, you're cute. Good morning, girls. I came to see the babies. Hi, Pearl. Good morning. Well, hello, little ones. Hello. Good morning to you. Hello. You're so cute. Goodness, look at those little tail wags. Hi, little one. What are you guys doing over here huddled in the corner? Let's see how many goats are in the corner. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 little babies. Come on out. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.